Maybe I have enough space to do 2 of them. So you're gonna encapsulate the same thing as you encapsulating your butterflies. I had something for my rubber on the side, but it's okay to take that off. Something from stick on my, can you wipe it off? And I'm gonna do another ones here. You can do different colors, you don't have to do, but this one, you know what, it's gonna be really cool, stunning if you're doing some of a background. You can use white colors and do is like welcome hugs or honesty backgrounds underneath for the fusionings, and then you put your letters on it. It's gonna look so freaking stunning. All right, so I'm gonna do another one. Right there. You can play that. I just didn't want to. There's another letters on. And they stay nice and flat into the colors. If you have your gel polish, have a lot of tacky layer, make sure you remove your tacky layer first, but then if the gel polish doesn't have it, it's absolutely totally fine when you place it on. Just get that one off from that. And let's see, I have some of my cute butterflies right there. Oh, by looking at this, I seen that really cute black and white butterflies right here. It's really cool and stunning. Let's see if she's gonna go in on the top of. Do another one. You can put anything, you can put flowers on it. It just creates your own, like a brand stuff that you want to. It doesn't have to be exactly the same like this. And if you want, you can do some crystals on this. So we do some crystal on it, some flowers. Do another butterflies. She can land right between this. And you can add flowers on if you want to.
So Marissa asked you, how do you remove the tacky layer without removing the color?
Just alcohol. Marissa, just remove just alcohol. Just don't put acetone on it. So it's all nice and it stays nice and flat with on the surface of the nails. I'm going to put the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat on. If you don't want any crystals on it, you do condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat and you're good to go. But if you want any crystal placements on, you can put the top coat on the top of condensed glue gels and place your crystals on. Just enough. You don't want to use too much. If too much, both condensed glue gels and the top coat, if it's too much, it's gonna really like flooded your crystals. So you want to have it enough. This one, I would doing it like have a white color because the orange, the corals underneath is kind of power of my colors, but it's okay. I'm gonna put some crystal on it so it won't stop me from making it look nice for you. You can try. Keep trying. But we're not gonna stop it. All right, no white top coat on the top. Right there. Oh, nice. Nice information. The tacky layers is unclear gel. The only way basically not to remove it, but put the top coat on. It's great. Great tip and tricks. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, so now we are going to add good information, Sarah. Sarah just sharing it earlier. Can I get my crystal pickers? All right, let's see what I want to do with this. Okay. It's great information Sarah just sharing with us. I'm going to use just a smaller one from second anniversary kits, but this one is one of the containers that have like mega mix colors of crystals, all sizes and all colors. I just use them all. I don't I'm not worried if I like using a different colors because it has some green, some yellow, some hint in there. So if you don't want it, you can just put AB on. You know, if you want something different, you can put it on. I'm trying to get a smaller size. Get one more. This one is for Sweet Live Ras. Thank you so much, Live Ras, for your patience because you've been asking this for a long time. And I keep get that ready on my size, and then we're like doing it, and then we're off because of some different contents.
Your life is sad. Shit.
Well, you should pay attention on that.
Say hi, get back.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our live tutorial. So sorry that Hugh just didn't pay attention on it and we lost whole entire that video, but it's okay, we have smaller clips on that. So then you can always re-watching them, okay? We're just so excited and we totally he didn't pay attention on it for us, which is okay because sometimes things happens and we just try not to make it happen at last time, like a last time. So I am doing a gold on this one because I have a hint of yellows and green, so I can do silvers. It works great. But if you don't want to do silvers, you do rose gold. You can do gold. It doesn't matter. You chose, like you choose which one you want. I am going to place that crystal right along with between crystals. I mean the beads. I'm so sorry. I'm like, I said, what did I say? Crystal. I'm like, yeah, of course the crystal is close together. I think I'm gonna do a couple more right here. And then so we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. I think it's fun, like you can do crystal in here if you want to. Or you can do whatever you want. What you prefer.